Sandoval shows up, we'll be in good shape. He's absent at this time. 593076. Listed as a fugitive, Rocky Soto. No attorney. Rocky Soto. Rocky Soto. Absent. Scheduled for 2 p.m. 614739. State versus Hugo Garcia Monaki.
That's my client, Your Honor. I believe we're set for a plea to, I just need to confirm that all the paperwork's in place.
That's going to be scheduled at 2. We'll recall it at 2. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
620330. State versus Gabriel Jairala or Jairala. And Freddie Ruiz is attorney. Gabriel Jairala is absent. Freddie Ruiz, no answer. 620956, State versus Jose Sanchez, attorney. Adam Flores.
Present.
Council President, Your Honor. We're here to plea out, Your Honor.
All right, sir. Has all the paperwork been completed?
I believe, I don't know, Your Honor. I have to talk to the state and Patty.
All right, we'll have to check it out. 623-348, 349-350, State versus Jimena Gonzalez Garcia.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nathan Slemain, present for Ms. Garcia. Jimena, if you're on, can you go ahead and unmute yourself and announce for the court, please?
Well, she's being mighty quiet.
She's
Nathan.
being mighty quiet unless it doesn't look like I see her in the courtroom.
All right, at this time, I'm marking her absent. Mr. Slemain, you're going to confer. What are you going to do?
I'd like to confer, Your Honor.
All right. You're on the list to confer, sir. But let me
Thank you,
know when
Judge.
the lady appears. If otherwise, I'll issue a warrant in 1 week.
I understand, Your Honor. Thank you.
626472, State versus Anthony Leos, attorney. Robbie Ward.
I'm present, Your Honor. Mr. Leos should be on.
I know he
He's
should
been,
be.
well, he knows to be on, and he's been emailing me all weekend about all of there's a lot of things that are messed up. There's another person that has his SID number that makes his record look worse than it is because it's not his record. I mean, it's a mess. So I really
Okay.
need to confer.
Already. You're on the list to confirm, ma'am. So right now, Anthony Leos is absent. Be sure, let me know when he checks in. Scheduled for 3 p.m., 631023, State versus Leometri Hernandez, attorney, Sean Sheffield. This is supposed to be a plea. Scheduled for 3 p.m. We'll recall it at 3. 634405 and 06, State versus Ruben Sanchez, attorney, Abelardo Garza. Ruben Sanchez. He's listed as a fugitive, may be consistent. At this time, he is absent, failure to appear. And Mr. Abelardo Garza has no answer today. Hello. 635087, State versus Alfredo Sanchez, attorney, Derek Hilly.
Great.
Alfredo Sanchez is absent. Derek Hilly, no answer at this time. 638747750, State versus Isabela Garza Delgado.
This is Chris Garcia on behalf of Roland Gutierrez.
Chris, ¿cómo? What's last?
Garcia.
Garcia.
And I'm coming on behalf of Roland Gutierrez, Judge.
Okay,
He asked for if we can get a 30-day reset on this case. And Isabella should be logging in or logged in. If not, I'll have the office log her in.
all right. Be sure that you do that because right now she is absent.
I will do that, but can I be excused to go to another court to
Of
trial?
course. Of
I'll
course
come
you
back,
can.
Judge. I'll come back.
That's fine. Thank
Thanks,
you.
Judge.
Scheduled for 3 p.m. Bryce Rogan's attorney, Eric Reynolds. We'll recall it at 3 p.m. 649-640 State versus Michael Romo, attorney, Frank Muniz.
Judge, that's getting recalled. Attorneys out medical. Got reset for February 15, 1/5.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
It's so noted. How are you doing this morning, Patty?
I'm good, sir. Thank
In
you.
good spirits, I know, despite their best efforts to lose. 651-535 State versus Edward Sanchez, attorney, Angela Blake.
Judge, she called. She's at other courts.
Of course she does. Alrighty, how about Edward Sanchez? Does he have other courts too? Edward Sanchez is absent. 654-275 State versus Miguel Rangel, attorney, Orlando Castañon.
I'm present for him, Judge. I'm not sure if he's in the courtroom or if he's on. I've not had contact with him.
Miguel Rangel. Absent at this time.
I think he's in the courtroom, Judge.
Hello, Deputy Grabowski. Deputy Grabowski.
Sir, he is present in your honor.
He is in the courtroom?
He is present, your honor, in the courtroom.
All right,
She said yes, Judge.
already, very good.
So please speak up
Mr.
louder.
Castañon, what are you doing today?
Speak up louder, too.
I can confer there is a unindicted felony pending out of the same episode.
Oh, boy. Well, you want to confer now or you want me to reset this for 60 days?
I guess if you want to reset it for 60 days, that's fine with me, Judge.
It's a waste of time to go in there today, I think. Reset 60 days, Patty.
Yes, sir. February 14.
And if the deputy would have Mr. Rangel contact my office today, so I can speak with him.
February 14th, you said?
Yes, sir.
All right. He's gonna
Mr.
come in with little
Rangel,
hearts. 654-407 State versus Edward Liscano, no attorney.
Judge, and Mr. Longoria, free to go to contact his attorney. He can leave now. from the
I
courtroom.
can't hardly hear whoever's speaking.
This is Deputy Grabowski in the courtroom, sir.
Yes,
Is Mr. Rangel free to leave?
yes, he is.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Please have him call his lawyer, though, deputy.
He acknowledged with a yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
654-407 State versus Edward Liscano, again, no attorney. Edward Liscano is absent. 654-467 State versus George Freeman, attorney Ivan Barrera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present. George, can you unmute yourself for the judge?
I'm here. Thank you very much. Hi,
Good
Judge.
morning. Mr. Barrera, what are you doing today?
Yes, Judge. Can we get a 45-day reset on this case because he just got accepted to the VTC program last week, so we need to transfer to County Court 6.
Okay. So this case is being transferred, Patty?
If he got accepted to Veterans Court, yes, sir.
All right. 45 days, Patty?
It's January 31st.
31 January 22. Mr. Barrera, you got other cases this morning?
That's it for me, Judge. May me and my client be excused.
You are both excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
654, 518, and 519, State versus Efren de Luna, attorney.
Remember when I was muted? I had to get out.
Efraín Torres.
This morning, Judge, Mr. DeLuna is here in my office. We would like to confer with the state, please.
All right, sir. We'll list you to confer.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 654, 536, State versus Edgar Garcia Escobedo. Attorney Rolando Arguelles.
Judge, I got a message from Rolando's office. He's running late at a jury announcement in Wilson County.
Okay.
Judge, Mr.
Well, doesn't seem to do much good because Mr. Edgar Garcia Escobedo is not present.
He's in the courtroom, Judge.
He's president of.
Well, I can hear and see everything, but I'm
Okay, I got you. I've got you marked present.
And
You're
he's a
gonna have to,
Spanish speaker, Judge. He
you
needs a
know,
translator.
Mr. What?
He is a Spanish speaker. He needs a translator for Spanish.
Okay, señor García Escobedo. Señor García Escobedo, buenos días.
Buenos días.
Su abogado está fuera del condado esta mañana, pero va a venir más tarde.
What happened?
¿Por qué no regresa como a las 10:30? ¿Ok?
Ok, muy bien.
Usted está libre hasta las 10:30. Regrese a las 10:30. ¿Entendido?
Ok, muy bien. Gracias.
Bueno. Six, 5, 4, 5, 7, 5, State versus Julio Mojica.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Present.
Your Honor.
And attorney is Eric Hernandez.
We may confer on that matter.
All right, sir.
You need to shout at him, but don't shout.
654, 724, State versus Samantha Lucio. Attorney Eric Hernandez.
Also my case, Your Honor. I would like to confer on that one. Is Miss Lucio in the courtroom?
Samantha Lucio.
Negative, sir. No female in the courtroom or checking with me.
I'll reach out to her, Your Honor.
All right, at this time she's absent.
unmute.
Okay, that's what you need.
654, 775, State versus Paula de Zalba. Attorney Michael Collins. Paula de Salva is absent. Michael Collins, no answer. 655, 139, and 140. State versus Giovanni Ferrioli. Attorney Julia Hernandez.
Good morning, Judge. My client is present and we're ready for a plea.
Already, you've got two cases. Is it going to plea on both?
No, one's going to be TIC.
Okay. T and TIC. Already.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. 655, 154, State versus Jocelyn Navarro. Attorney. No attorney at this time. Jocelyn Navarro is shown as a fugitive with a warrant. Jocelyn Navarro is absent. Failure to appear. 655, 424, State versus Damian Korolenko. And attorney is Frank Sandoval Jr. Damian Korolenko. Absent. Frank Sandoval. No answer. 655, 437. State versus Jacob Thomas. Attorney Ashley Morgan.
President. Hi, Judge. I'm on another Zoom right now. Can I log right back on?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
And your client, Thomas, Jacob Thomas?
Present, Your Honor.
All right. Stick around. Your attorney is here and aware that you're here.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 655-458. State versus Alexandria de la Rosa. Ashley Morgan. Sounds familiar. Alexandria de la Rosa,
Yes, sir, I'm present.
good morning to you. Your attorney is present. Where did she go, Patty?
She says she's in another Zoom hearing.
Okay. All right. Ms. De La Rosa, stick around. Your attorney is here. She knows you're here. 655-530, State versus Sean Salazar, attorney, Patrick Montgomery. Sean Salazar. Absent. Patrick Montgomery. No answer. 655-587, State versus Jacob Bigler, attorney, Thomas Beck. Jacob Bigler. Absent. Thomas Beck, no answer. 655-604, State versus Jeremiah Ornelas, attorney, Rene Munoz.
Morning, Judge. I'm present. Wish I could say the same for my clients. I haven't had recent contact with him, Your Honor, on his, in reference to his case.
Okay, what we're going to show is a failure to appear. You have 1 week to produce him, Mr. Munoz.
Yes, Judge, I'll do my best. May I be excused for this morning?
Yes, you may.
Thank you,
If
Judge.
he comes in for any reason, we'll contact you.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. 655-619, State versus Avery Hollis, attorney James Hunt.
We are both
Present.
present. We would like to confer.
You are on the list to confirm, Mr. Hunt.
Thank you.
Avery Hollis, you said is here.
Present,
Your Honor.
Good morning. 655-683, State versus Monica Hauschild and attorney Jocelyn Andrews. Monica Hauschild,
You're next.
did I hear somebody answer? Monica Hauschild is absent. Ms. Andrews, no answer at this time. Hopefully she's well. 655-750, State versus Miguel Vences, attorney. Brenda Levenstein.
I'm here, Your Honor, and Mr. Vences is in the courtroom.
President of the
All
court,
right.
Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And what are we doing this morning?
I'd like to confer, but I need to run to the 144th as well.
That's fine. You're free
She's
to
number,
go.
she's number 7, Judge.
Yes.
Okay, I'll come back.
All righty. 655-822, State versus Ethan Anthony, attorney. No attorney at this time. Ethan Anthony. Marked absent. Man, we got a lot of people absent today. Can't even blame the Cowboys. Six, 173, State versus Miranda Alvarado, attorney, Stacy Kraus.
Good morning, Judge. Miranda's here as well. Miranda, can you say hello?
Hi.
Here we go.
Good morning.
Judge, I need to confer, and can Miranda be excused while I do that? I have a meeting with her later this week, so I don't need her to stick around.
Okay, I'll make it a point to show that. Ms. Alvarado, you're excused for this morning. Your attorney will be doing some work for you and wants you to go ahead and go to work or go home.
Thank you.
656-611, State versus Joshua Galvan, attorney, Thomas Limon.
Present.
Mr. Galvan, good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Thomas Galvan, pardon me, Thomas Limon. Patricia, has he ever answered our dockets?
Yes, he has, Judge. And he did call to let the court know that he is running late. I got a message from the clerks.
All right. 656-967, State versus Ethan Byers, attorney, William Brooks.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Mr. Byers, are you here?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, gentlemen, thank you. Mr. Brooks, what are you doing this morning?
Judge, we are waiting for blood discovery on Mr. Byers' case.
Well, by golly, if that's the case, we'll give you 60 days to do that, because you know, and I know that that's going to be a slow process.
We will gladly accept, Judge.
Patricia,
February 14th, Judge.
sure and bring some
We'll
candy.
bring you some flowers, Judge.
Not me, but for your favorite coordinator.
I will
We'll see who that turns out, because my Patty is leaving at the end of this month.
I heard. I'm going to miss Patty.
There's going to be a celebration tomorrow here at the court in the afternoon, in case you want to drop by.
Count me in.
657-185, State versus Angel Garza, attorney, Thomas Placier, depending
Morning,
upon
Your Honor.
wants to pronounce it in French or not. Good morning, Thomas. Or is that you?
Yes, sir. My client's present. Ms. Garza, can you say hi?
Hello, President. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Judge, I'd like to confer. Also, I need to pop out to a different courtroom, hop back in. My client be excused while I pop in and out.
Ms. Garza, you are excused for the day. Your attorney
you.
will be working pretty busy today, so.
You're number 9, Tom.
Be sure
Thank you, Patty.
and be sure and be in touch with your attorney, ma'am.
Thank you. Sounds good.
Or perhaps I should say be in communication. 657-571 and 72, State versus Eddie Elizalde, attorney, Tim Roundtree.
Judge, I got a message from him. He's in person in Guadalupe County, and he'll be there all morning asking for a reset in January.
Okay, you want to give that to him, but meantime, Mr. Elizalde.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Elizalde, you're going to be excused for the day. Your attorney is out of county. Patricia, what day are we giving him?
January 26th.
26 February. You got that, Mr. Elizalde?
I do, Your Honor. Thank you so much. Have a great
All
day.
right, you're excused for the day. Thank you for being here on time.
Judge, you skipped one.
I sure did. Be right with
Go
it.
ahead and answer it in here.
657-385, State versus Ruben Garcia, attorney, Christopher Arce. Ruben Garcia is absent. Christopher Arce, no answer.
Yes, sir.
Let's see. Scheduled for 1:30. 657-856, State versus Quest or somebody. Gonzalez Carrasco, attorney, Michael Dominic, pardon me. Gonzalez Carrasco, Christopher, Christie, somebody. Gonzalez Carrasco, scheduled for 1:30. We'll recall it at that time. 658-738, State versus Jeremy Delgado, attorney, Michael Zamora.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Delgado is in the courtroom. If I could confer.
You got it. You are listed to confer.
I am here in the courtroom.
All right, sir. Stick around. Your attorney's going to be doing some work. 659-844, State versus Edward Flores, no attorney. 659-844,
Rudy Gonzalez?
State versus Edward Flores,
I don't know, what does your paper say?
is absent.
Okay, well then go downstairs.
659-864 and 865, State versus Jose Compian, attorney, Luis Martinez.
Judge, good morning. This is Louis. Judge, could we see if Mr. Compian is in the courtroom?
Deputy, is Mr. Jose Compian in the courtroom? Deputy Grabowski,
Michelle, I muted you because y'all were talking and we couldn't hear the judge.
Deputy Grabowski? Damn it.
Judge, I think she stepped out with the last person. I don't have, I'm not in contact with Mr.
Judge, this is Grabowski.
Okay. 663-297, Mr. Martinez, as of right now, Mr. Compian is listed absent, failure to appear.
I'll see if I can track him down, Judge.
Please do. 663.
Thank you.
297, State versus Sarah Alvarado, attorney Melanie Lira.
Good morning, Judge. I need to confer on this case and my client is present. Sarah, can you announce?
Yes, here, Your Honor.
Good morning to you both. All right.
Morning.
You're listed you're on the list to confer. 664-322, State versus Ruby Gonzalez, attorney Tanya Rivera. Ruby Gonzalez is marked absent. Tanya Rivera, no answer. 667-937. In jail, Adam Rodriguez, attorney Fernando Ramos.
Judge, this is Grabowski. Rudy Gonzalez is present in the courtroom, Judge.
Rudy Gonzalez.
Gonzalez is present in the courtroom, Judge.
All right. Tanya Rivera has not responded. Mr. Gonzalez, stick around. I'm sure she'll be showing up, but we'll track her down. And Fernando Ramos has no answer today. Any message from him, Patty?
No, sir, and I didn't order his client from Fair County.
I saw that. 668-455 and 5456, State versus Abraham Rangel. Attorney is Julia Hernandez.
Yes, Judge. I just spoke with my client and he's trying to log on, so he should be on shortly.
Okay, we'll count him as being present.
Thank you, Judge.
And what do you wish to do this morning?
If I could please confer.
All right, ma'am. You're on the list to confer.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I'm back from conferring with Ms. Hoff.
Okay, I'll finish the docket and I'll come back for you. 669-188, State versus Manolito Guerra, attorney.
Your Honor, Ben Cifuentes, I'm present, and I would ask permission to temporarily leave this Zoom for the 227, and may I return at the conclusion of the 227?
Of course. Thank you for being here. Is your client here, Manolito?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Mr. Cifuentes will be waiting for you. 671-649, State versus Maria Bovino, attorney Brian O'Donnell.
Judge, I got a message from Brian that he was running late. He'd be in County Court 15.
All right. And how about Ms. Bovino? Maria Bovino is absent at this time. Add-ons. Jury trial cases on call. Scheduled for 1:30 in-person jury selection. Number 1, Thomas E. Hernandez, Angela Blake.
Also, I just wanted to make sure she wasn't here.
Okay. You're welcome.
I'm going to show her is ready. She'll be number 1. Thomas Hernandez. better show up. Number 2 will be Jory Alexander Knight, and that's also Angela Blake. Jory Alexander Knight. Neither one is present. Supposed to be at 9. Failure to appear.
Judge, we have them all for 1:30 in person. That's why I added them on for today, but
You are correct. Yes, that's why it says 1:30 on there, doesn't it? All right, we'll recall them at 1:30. Then number 3, Rhiannon Elaine Everett, criminal trespass, James Anders the third, with the greatest of enunciation. All right, that's the docket for this morning, folks. Somebody